We're going to learn how to create a bank account, that is saving account and short term deposit in Tally. So we are going to enter here saving account. Saving account is not created for the company purpose. The current account is created for the company purpose based on your documents, your GST registration and company rental agreement and proprietors or partners PAN cards. If you have a business PAN card, you can use those things. With a company seal and proprietor seal, you can create a current account. For saving account, it does not require all those information, just that you can create it. So here saving account number you have to give. What account? I'm giving random. And company bank address, I just put random address. Okay, Karnataka, and pin code 560027, and opening balance I just keep 75 lakh. Okay, and now that we are going to create a short-term deposit. Short-term deposit is all about your deposit. We say it as FD, fixed deposit, or long-term deposit. So that we can say as a short-term deposit. We can type it here as in a short-term deposit. Okay, deposit. Here you can select bank account, and again same thing, any bank account you can create. Address. Why am I putting Shanti Nagar everywhere? Because my institution is near around, so I'm used to it. And pin code, I'm just selecting the same, my office address pin code, and some short-term deposit I just put it. See, now that our difference is increased, we are not under any CR is not much comparatively DR, so it is really good growth. Next class we will discuss the topic about the current liability or duties and taxes. We'll discuss in the upcoming classes. Thank you. Bye.